Hello everyone, today we will continue business layer operations. We defined our interfaces in our business layer, I about service, I address service, and I social media service. Now it's time for the manager classes. Let's start with the about class. This is about class for about entity. Our entity name is about manager. Here our about class should inherit from about interface. What is service? Which is service? Inherit I about service. Okay, and control dot implement interface. Okay, we will use dependency injection here. What does dependency injection do? I would like to show a small article about this. teachtarget.com. Dependency injections are useful to create loosely coupled programs while also following the solid software design principles. This helps improve the reusability of code while also reducing the frequency of needing to change a class, a template of the methods or variables in an object. Okay, now let's fill in our methods. Remember those before we need constructor method. A constructor method is prepared. Here we need interfaces in data access layer. Let's call him private read only I about DAL in data access layer. Underscore about DAL. I use camel case. First letter is lower and afterwards letter is upper. About DAL control dot generate constructor. Okay, our constructor method is ready. Change to access data modifier to public. Okay, and let's fill in our methods. Delete underscore about DAL dot delete with ID. Okay, remember those with the letter T at the beginning are methods in our business layer. Where is this? Is business layer, and those without the letter T at the beginning are the methods of our data access layer. Okay, we need target all for about manager. This method is not void, so it needs return underscore about DAL dot get all. Okay, and return underscore about dot get by ID. Okay, and insert underscore about DAL insert entity. Okay, finally we need update method about DAL dot update for about entity. Okay, our about manager is ready. So we need we will create our second manager. What second manager? Address. Add new class. Our class name is address manager. Okay, address manager is ready. Change to public. Change to public. Excuse me. I will delete this symbol. Good. No. I will again create address manager. Okay, change to public. Inherit I address DAL control dot implement interface. You can use generic manager class, but I can't use. Private read only. I address dal and underscore address dal control dot generate constructor. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is not address dal. I address source. Okay. Control dot implement interface. Okay. But this is true. Underscore address dal dot delete id and get all return underscore address dal get all. Okay. And underscore address dal get by id for id. Okay. And we need to return underscore address dal insert entity, and finally underscore address dal update entity. Okay, our address manager is ready. We need other classes. Right click, add new class, category manager, change to public. We can use copy and paste category manager I category service. Okay, open about manager, choose this here, Control C and paste. Okay, Control F, category replace to about replace to category, and I choose replace all 16 occurrence replace it. Okay, I control good. This is not problem. One problem, this must make beginning to lowercase for camel case. Category dal, category dal and category dal. Okay, this is enough. Good. And we need fourth class. Add new class, feature manager. Okay, change to public, and inherit I feature service. Okay, about manager, copy and paste, Control F, about replace all feature. Okay, good. And we need beginning lower, feature dal. Okay, feature manager is ready. Other class, product service for product manager, change to public, inherit I product service, and okay, we need these methods, paste, Control F, category to product, replace all. I'm waiting, and okay, good. Product manager is ready. Lower ladder, okay, product manager is ready. And next, review slider and social media. First, review manager, change to public, inherit I review service. Okay, category manager, we need these methods, Control past and Control F, category to review. Okay, replace all, 16 occurrence, replace it. Okay, we need lower case and this must be lower. Review down. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we need slider and social media. First slider manager, change to public. Inherit slider service. Okay, review manager, copy and paste. Control F, category not category, review, change to slider, replace all. Okay, and slider, lower slider. Okay, our slider manager is ready. Good. And finally we need social media manager. Okay, change to public, social media service and review manager, copy. Okay, review to social media, replace all. Our social media is ready. Social media. Okay, good. Now our business layer is almost ready. Okay, manager classes are ready, and we need presentation layer operations. Next lesson we will start presentation layer operations and CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete for our entities. That's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, have a good time.